So here at Tech Travel Geeks, we've been using Synco products for quite a while. I purchased a Synco microphone set a few years ago, and that's been used quite a lot on the channel. More recently, I got a dual microphone setup for, again, our main cameras. And in 2022, Synco reached out and sent us a sample of their Lightning kit for iPhones, where you get 2 microphones and a transmitter, and it allows you to have better microphone audio through your smartphone. I'm currently preparing for a trip where I'm going to be doing some vlogs, and so I thought the best way to do that would be to get a microphone which would work with the Type-C devices that I'm going to be taking with me. So in this case, I purchased on Amazon the Synco P1T kit. This is very similar to other Synco microphones we've seen here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And so let's start off by unboxing it. I'm going to use my Jerry Rig Everything unboxing knife. I'm sure it can be used for other things, but here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, that's its main function. It's an unboxing knife. And once you take off the cellophane, get simple packaging, which shows you an image of the device. On the side, there's a few specifications. It tells you that it has a 50-meter range. It has a power supply in the box, so it acts as a power bank. It has Magic vocal recording, in-ear monitoring system, and high-fidelity sound. So let's open up the P1T microphone kit. This operates on a 2.4 gigahertz spectrum, radio spectrum, so it's similar in how it operates to Wi-Fi. And once you get into the box, as I just have, there's a little Synco card, which will no doubt include all the documentation we need to read, which we may or may not read. There we go, quick user manual. There's the box with the microphone itself. We'll look at that in a moment. And then in the bottom we have a USB Type-C to Courage port adapter. That's a 3.5mm audio jack adapter to Type-C. And there is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. So this is for charging the device. And then the device itself. You'll see that as I turn it on, it has a little indicator showing you the battery level, and at the side you have the button to turn the device on and show you the power level, as well as the Type-C port for charging the microphone kit. Now you click the door to the side of the device in, and then you click it out to get to the microphones themselves. So there's 2 parts to this, similar to what we've seen before. In this case, we have a transmitter. This is the part that goes into your smartphone and acts as a receiver. So in this case, we're going to use the Honor Magic4 Pro. And I'm going to use this Synco receiver in the USB Type-C port of the device. There we go. Takes a little bit of power to get it in, and you see it shows that it's plugged in. So that's a good sign. Now the other side is the Synco microphone itself. I'm going to take the little protective bit of plastic off, and I'm going to long press the power button at the top of the device to turn that on. There we go, it's turned on, and you can see it's syncing with the transmitter. So what we're going to do now is I'll switch off my standard Synco microphone, which we use with Lukasz, our Chief Aperture Officer's camera, and we'll switch over to recording some of this video with the Honor Magic4 Pro and the Synco microphone. Okay then, so we're recording this bit to camera using the Synco microphone that I'm wearing, as you can see, and it's plugged into the USB Type-C port on the Honor Magic4 Pro. We'll let you make your own decisions on what this sound quality is like, if that's good enough for you. But as I said, I'm planning on doing some vlog content filmed on a smartphone, And I think this is an ideal tool to cut out on some ambient noise and give you a better overall experience whilst recording video with a smartphone. So let us know in the comments what you think, if you have any thoughts on this. If you have any further questions, please do feel free to reach out to us in the comment section below. And if you'd like to see more of our content on gadgets, accessories, smartphones, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching this quick unboxing and first impressions of the Synco P1T. Goodbye from me.